students who feel better, do better. In this day and time, what students wear seems to be connected to how they feel about themselves. The implementation of uniforms would enable students to show forth more respectful, professional, and mature behaviors. Furthermore, cities such as New Orleans, Cleveland, Chicago, Boston, Miami, and Cincinnati have all implemented uniforms within their public schools. In fact, Long Beach, California even saw an over 90% drop in crime, suspensions, and sexual offenses among students. It's plain to see that if you are concerned about our safety, our academics, and overall success, the Roanoke City Public Schools has no other choice than to require school uniforms.